I'm Ronja ma'am and welcome to my channel dear students. Let's discuss what changes we are going to see in the colleges and universities after the introduction of the new Education Policy 2020. A 4-year multidisciplinary bachelor's program will be introduced. So the good news is that you are going to have lots of subjects, lots of options in the college. Another good news is that there will be multiple exit. That means if you leave the course after 1 year, you are going to get a certificate. After 2 years, diploma. After 3 years, you're going to get the degree. 4 years bachelor program will include some amount of research work. So the student will get in-depth knowledge when it comes to the major subject that the student will choose. So of course there will be major and minor subjects, and another thing is that after graduation they can of course study MA, but after MA many students used to go for M.Phil and then PhD. Now this M.Phil will be totally scrapped, meaning there won't be any M.Phil course offered by any university. So after MA you will straight away go for your PhD just like they do abroad. A national curriculum framework has been established, so there will be changes in the syllabus. Academic Bank of Credit, that is ABC, would be established where the students will be able to digitally store their credits. So this will be useful for them. These academic credits that is earned from different recognized higher education institutes can be stored. National Research Foundation (NRF) will be established to expand research and innovation. Not only that, NRF will also provide funds to the students who want to research. NRF would fund research in all subjects. So this will be very helpful for the students, those who are interested in research. Hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, do like and share this video, and do subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.